What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, which is at the top of the line of the latest iteration of the Samsung Galaxy S line of smartphones. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this brand spanking new bad boy right out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, it says S20 in gigantic letters, very nice. And down here it says S20 Ultra 5G, the name of the phone obviously. Over here on this side, just black. Over here on this side, we've got the name of the phone once again, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So, yup, it's a pretty simple, pretty standard black Samsung box. We've seen this by now, so let's get it out of the box and see the star of the show, the actual phone. And wow, here it is, folks. Let's get this out. Come out, little guy, and wow, this is huge. And look at that gray color, looking pretty nice. It's got this huge rear camera array back here. That just looks so awesome. So folks, let's take the plastic off of this and see what it looks like without that plastic. So there that goes. And nope, we don't have any on the front, it looks like. So yeah. Now folks, we can take this beautiful phone right here and put it to the side for a second when we see what else is in the box. We can just pull this up right here, Samsung. And yeah, right here we've got the wall plug, USB-C, of course, for charging this phone up. And then right here, let's see what's in here. Let me guess. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging up this phone, obviously. Right there, we can put this to the side as well. And now, last but not least, folks, in this box, we've got the AKG headphones, the wired headphones that come with this bad boy. Right here, we got the set of different interchangeable ear tips for them. And right here, we've got the actual headphones. As you can see, they use USB-C as well, because, of course, this bad boy does not have a headphone jack. And yeah, folks, now that we've seen all the different stuff that comes in this part of the box right here, silly me, actually, didn't notice over here in the top of the box, there's more stuff for us to look at. So let's check that out. So now this bad boy is empty, and we can go look at this guy. So first things first, right here on the back of this, we've got the SIM ejector tool, very important. Down here, it looks like we got a ton of paperwork right here. Quick start reference guide, all that stuff. And yeah, folks, now one last thing. We've also got this little message right here that says this device is packaged with a screen protector. Yes, it comes with a screen protector on. That's why we didn't have to take plastic off the front. So now, folks, now that we've seen all this different good stuff that's in the box, let's get the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G all set up. And just like that, folks, now we got this bad boy right here all nice and set up. So let's start using it. First things first, we can unlock the phone with its in-screen fingerprint reader. I love it when phones have that because it's just so easy, and look how nice and fast that was too. Let's try one more time. Watch this. You just tap right here where the reader is and boom, just like that, unlocked. That is lovely. So before we get to using the phone, let's take a quick look at it. Right here on the back, we kind of have the star of the show for this phone right here, this awesome new camera array. So folks, just listen to this. Right here, we've got a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Right here, we've got a 108 megapixel wide angle lens. That's right, 108 megapixels. That is a lot, folks. Just that's a lot, okay? And then right here, we've got a 48 megapixel telephoto lens that, if you read right here, can do 100 times zoom. That is pretty cool. And then lastly, right here, we've got a depth vision camera, and we've also got a flash right here. So yeah, folks, if those specs right there on the camera are not impressive, I do not know what will impress you, okay? Now also here on the back of the phone, as you can see, we got this beautiful gray color going on. We got the Samsung logo down here. We've got over here, we've got the power button, we've got the volume rocker, and yeah, over here on the top of the phone, we've got the SIM card tray. Over here on the bottom, we got the USB-C port and the speaker grill. And yeah, folks, as a Samsung flagship, of course, this phone feels very well built, feels great in the hand, and also, I will say, it is just downright huge. The reason why this phone needs to be so big is because of this big, beautiful display right here. It's actually 6.9 inches, which is just gigantic. Actually, when I put it side by side with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, this phone is clearly bigger than my iPhone, which, yeah, it's just awesome. And also, if that weren't enough to make you love this screen, it actually can go to a 100 120 hertz refresh rate. So yeah, that is just, it's just an amazing display right here. And yeah, folks, while we talk about the front of the phone, we might as well talk about this bad boy up here, if you can make that out. That cute little guy, the hole punch camera. It is actually 40 megapixels, so just like the cameras on the back of the phone, it has a lot of megapixels. And yeah, folks, now that we've seen the actual hardware of the phone a bit, let's get to using it some, and let's try out those impressive cameras. So we can just open up the camera app right here, and let's do this, baby. So folks, let's start out small, and let's use the 40 megapixel selfie camera right there to take a selfie of yours truly. So cheese, and boop, boop, boop. How does this picture look right here? Do I look pretty good? I think so. Check out that Gucci tie right there. Looks beautiful. So now, folks, trying out the rear cameras, let's first start over here with the 0.5 times zoom, which is going to let us use the ultra wide angle lens on the back to take a picture of my logo. Boop, boop, boop. There that is. Now let's check out that picture, and wow, ultra wide makes sense. So yeah, now let's go back and we can try out just the standard lens, just the wide angle lens, 1 time zoom to take a picture of my logo, just like that. And now we've got that. And then lastly over here, we could tap this button right here, which is going to bring us to 5 times zoom. And yeah, we might want to take a picture of something other than my logo because that's a little too much zoomed in. So I don't know, folks, I guess I'm just going to take a picture of this outlet on the wall right here. And yeah, there we are with 5 times zoom on that telephoto lens. Now, folks, last but not least, let's jump it up to 100 times zoom. This is going to be crazy. And so now, folks, you're looking at some 100 times zoom pictures that I took outside because it's really not appropriate to use 100 times zoom in my small room right here because, I mean, there's no need to zoom 100 times away. It still looks, you know, way too close. So yeah, here are some outside 100 times zoom pictures. Let me know what you guys think of these. And yeah, folks, believe it or not, another cool thing about this phone's cameras actually is that they can record in 8K, which I think is just super duper cool. Obviously, at this point in time, it's pretty hard to find an 8K TV. Most people just use 4K TVs, but yeah, that's definitely a cool little feature of this bad boy. But anyway, folks, now let's move on from the cameras and let's look more at the screen by watching a YouTube video from, of course, none other than yours truly.
What's going on, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung's brand spanking new $1,400 foldable flip phone.
And wow, folks, I will say YouTube video definitely looks super duper clear on this phone, which does make sense because it, of course, has this amazing display going on right here. And yeah, folks, with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So if you guys want this phone for yourself, the cheapest model of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, which has 128 gigabytes of storage, will run you back $1,399, so $1,399.99 before taxes, whereas the more storage version with 512 gigabytes of storage will run you back $1,599. So this phone is not exactly cheap. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, baby. Ooh.